Here's how to navigate the world of spiritual business using digital marketing content. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. I know how overwhelming it can be when you're just starting out, so consider me your friendly guide. You know, I've been there trying to figure out exactly what it is that I want to do in the vast world of spirituality. It all starts with discovering your purpose. What lights your spirit on fire? What do you feel called to share with the world? What can you talk about for hours and hours? That's your path. It doesn't have to be just one thing. Allow yourself to flow and find the 1 or 2 things that really resonate with you. Your brand is, well, you. People connect with your story and your journey. Be authentic and don't be afraid to share your experiences. When I started doing this, I saw real connections with my clients. Mind you, it's okay to keep a little mystery, okay? There are so many avenues that you can explore in the spiritual world. Consider meditation, mindfulness coaching, energy healing, astrology, tarot card reading, or yoga wellness coaching. Find what resonates with you. If you're like me, you're like a kid in the candy store. You're like, ooh, I like this, I like this. And so, you might have to contain yourself a little bit, but you know what? There's no reason to. Go ahead, have it all. If you have a professional background, integrate your expertise with your spirituality. For me, that's merging my graphic design and digital marketing skills with my Reiki healing practice. It's all about aligning your passion and your knowledge. To attract the right clients, you need to understand them. What do they like to do with their free time? What are they frustrated about? What keeps them up late at night? Where do they go online to get their scroll on? Deep dive into their needs and challenges so you can offer tailored solutions that truly makes a difference. Social media platforms are powerful for building a community. Choose the one where your audience hangs out the most and share your spiritual insights and advice. I often share my daily mindfulness practice on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Don't forget to encourage satisfied customers or clients to share their experiences. Success stories are like shining stars, guiding others to your services. Make it easy for your customers by creating a set of questions to give you feedback. Be transparent and uphold your values. It's about building trust and creating a genuine connections with your clients. If you don't offer a service or product, don't be afraid to say so or to recommend someone or others that you know do. There's enough for everyone. Giving back to your audience builds trust. Share free resources like guided meditation, ebooks, or consultations. It's a way to serve and connect with potential clients. Don't put all your spiritual eggs in one basket. Offer one-on-one services, group workshops, and digital products. This diversity can provide financial stability. Creating a well-structured sales funnel is your roadmap to success. Use email marketing and automation to nourish leads and turn them into paying customers. Passive income streams like ebooks and courses can provide steady income. Don't forget about maintaining a positive money mindset to attract abundance. It's about creating a prosperous and balanced life. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the success, and remember that your digital marketing efforts are your way of sharing your light with the world. So go forth with confidence, use all the digital tools available to you, and watch as your spiritual business flourish. Download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you have any questions or you want to share your experience, feel free to comment below or reach out online. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Click the link below to read the article. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.